Hi everyone, it's Ira from gmailfiend. First of all, thank you for watching this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below or check our channel for more videos like this. Okay, so in this video, I'll be teaching you how to create labels and change their colors. So let's get started. So the first thing that you'll need to do is, of course, log into your Gmail account. Then you can see here the labels. Click this plus sign which is to create new label, and then enter a new label. Like for example, I'll be putting work. Then upon creating, you'll see the label here. Next step is you'll need to click this three dots and then go to label color, and you're going to change the label color or pick here in the given colors from Gmail, or you can also add your custom color. Like for example, this one. You can change the background color and the text color. Like for example, here the background I'll be choosing yellow, and for the text color I'll be choosing red, or you can also choose green or blue. Then click apply. Okay, as easy as that. Then you can actually apply a label by only dragging it, like for this one, and it will easily show it on your email. So that's basically how you change your label colors or add labels to your email. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on our next video. Bye! Thanks for watching!